magical forest, a curious young explorer meets a mysterious talking tree. The tree shares a secret with the child, revealing the existence of a hidden treasure. Excitement drives the child to search for the treasure, oblivious to the consequences. The tree pleads with the child, its distress palpable in the forest air. Guilt washes over the child, understanding the impact of their actions on the wise tree. Words of forgiveness and understanding bridge the gap between the child and the ancient tree. A promise is made, a commitment to safeguard the forest and its secrets. A connection beyond words blooms, uniting the child with the spirit of the forest. Lessons learned, a bond forged, a newfound harmony with nature embraced.